Right, hello everyone. I am back from the cave I was hiding in. So here's a little footage I tried to pull together for the Easter run 2023. Sadly, some of the footage has gone missing. This GoPro has been a nightmare. It crashes, footage goes missing. I don't know what's going on, but that's what I'm dealing with. So here we are anyway. I've got a bit together so you get the gist of it. So the egg run, for people that don't know what happens, it's an event that happens every year, and it's organised for a charity to donate to children who may not receive an egg and need funding. Yeah, it's lad on the right absolutely loved it.
The first time? Hey, you'll love it, mate.
I was trying to encourage his dad to do a wheelie. Very responsible.
Dad got a proper wheelie?
Yeah, so it starts from one area and finishes at another. So Bet365 Stadium, a starting point, and finishes at the King's Hall. That's what happens at the Stoke egg run, because I'm pretty sure there's loads more around England. And coming up to me and my wife's family, they got so many eggs for us, it's ridiculous. I was like, we've only got one bag, but we've got about 6 in there, and if that's just from us, and bearing in mind you have to donate at the start an egg and £2, so a lot of eggs were raised, a lot. I think on the news they said there was 2,000 people that participated, but I heard 1,000, I heard 1,500, I don't know how many exactly, but I'm sure there was a lot. I saw a lot. So amazing, fantastic. Yeah, so many people came, so nice. And coming up to a care home on the left, the carers put the elderly up to the window so they could watch us go by. That was nice. The marshals were amazing, and the organisation of it was just amazing as well. No hiccups apart from one later on. We'll go through that. It was only a minor one that anyone could do. The thing is, there's so many bikers all like bonged up together. You've got to be so careful that one person doesn't suddenly break. You don't realise. You go to the back of them, or you slam your brakes on and someone behind you goes into you. It's so easily done. Yeah, these costumes, man, there was some good ones. I need to sort one out for next year. There was just like none left. There was like a scary bunny hat. I didn't want to scare the kids off, so my wife told me to return that. These kids on the left, high-fiving, be careful. Some of them do put some strength behind it sometimes. And break your hand, or break their hand. You don't want to do that. Here we go. Another couple of people doing the same thing. Gets everyone excited as well for Easter. Okay, that's a bike. That is so loud. It went past. It was, I think it was an MT10. And then this is just an example of how loud bikes can be. It was ace. My bike isn't loud. It's not got any rev bomb material. It's a stock exhaust. And these kicks are egging you on like mad. Look at them. Get it? Egging you on. And this stretch of road is quite decent actually. I think it's Leek Road. And you can actually see the front of the convoy, which is led by the Lord Mayor. I don't know his name, which is helpful. Yeah, let's sit now. So basically, a gent slammed his brakes on, I think, I'm guessing, and just misplaced his footing and went over, stumbled over. He was okay. His passenger was okay on the back of him, and the marshals were really quick to sort the situation out and get it moving. Because that could have been worse than what it actually is, and it went so smoothly. He just brushed it all off and got back on. Ace, amazing, quick and easy. Bob's your uncle. So yeah, I hope for next time I capture more footage, because I want to show the end result, but sadly I can't do it this time. Just want to say, like, thank you for everyone that participated and everyone who donated, because I sure loved it and I'm sure everyone else did. Thank you for watching. Give me a like and a follow, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.